All right, people, I got an update for BA. But before I get to the update in BA and why I'm making this change, I want to talk about the history of BA. Do you know, I made a lot of winning plans, starting all the way back here in the 185, actually down to the 160s. We can't see it on here, and I mean we made multiple plans. I was making plans in the 190s over in this area over here, and a lot of great winning plans. But you know, it hasn't. This stock has not like I said. People were talking about it falling over here, and I said it's not ready. And but you know, it wasn't ready for long either. So I never talked about it. Then we had another directional move, and we looked again for another move. Now the problem with today was they this kind of this kind of confirmation pullback is one of those kind of pivotal points. So let's talk about the plan and how we could go the opposite way. Okay, this plan really could, well, right now this plan is calling for the put side, but for the call side, I will tell you what we will need to do. Okay, so it's either or. But let's talk about the put side today. The first put side first. So BA set up the test 245. I think if we can confirm my plan, we can test 245. I will explain in the video why. Okay, and well, that's what I'm doing, right? The October 20 155 puts could be used. So I'm going to explain. So look at, I think that if they confirm my plan, they're going to go and probably test one of the gaps right over here. So, and you know, this stock could afford to pull back like this. It could afford to pull back, and then maybe there'll be other signals in the future for higher prices from there. Okay. At the same time, if we were to reverse this candle here and take out that today's high, that would be extremely bullish. But right now, that's the pivotal point, this day here. So let's talk about the entry here. So I will explain inside the video what must happen plus a possible reversal plan. Well, I just got to the reversal plan. So right now we're going to focus to see if we can confirm to the downside. Now, if we do confirm to the downside, the stops, in other words, the stock should not want to resurface 256.25. So, you know, it'll be a few point stop. Okay. So basically, if BA can stay, can go get below 245 and remain below the proper pivot as doing so, that will be a signal to get to get into BA. Okay, there really isn't volume requirements. What is required is that we break below 254, and that we are below the key pivot that I explained in my in the beginning page of my video. So if you and when you go to my introductory page and you listen to me speak, you hear I kind of explain about the pivot point. Okay, so basically we want this to go below 254 and also have a net up is also as it is trading below 254 is below the pivot, you know, and you might need to wait 10 minutes into trading. It's hard to say right now until I see it, but if I do post confirmation that it's confirming, that means it's okay to engage in the puts. A lot of money to be made in these puts, in my opinion. It will not be something quick and smooth, but it definitely should be profitable. It could be very profitable on confirmation. Let's take a look at the options. All right, so here we are, and you can see on Yahoo, and you can see that Boeing closed down 53 from a confirmation, requiring me to exit quickly today for small losses. You know, not compared to my giant gains in BA this year, it's really nothing. But now we might be able to make some giant gains on the downside. And I said that's if it confirms, right? So let's not jump the gun here. However, the reversal plan is what I'm also looking for too. So these 255 puts, okay, here are the 255 puts. You can see there's good open interest. And then you've got the well, no, sorry, these are the calls. Let's go to the puts. Sorry, people. Let's go to the puts. So here are the 255 puts. You can see that, you know, there is some open interest. There was a little bit of trading, but these are the ones that are doing, these are even doing better than the October 06. And you want to give this some time, right? So you want to use these exactly this pivot point, 255, okay? This is a pivotal point, okay? On the confirmation. Now you can see though there are a lot of there's a skew. In other words, you know, if we look at the call side, 260 there's a lot, and there's a lot more on the call side. So, you know, that's another positive for the put side, that there is an imbalance. At the same time, the stock chart is high in the air, okay, and it could use a pullback. And the way we confirmed and the way we lost the confirmation, it gave me that signal. I kind of knew this. Benefit of a doubt, I mean, it was acting very good today. We were getting actually a very nice move in BA. But this is what happens. Sometimes requires, like I explained to people, quick and in the right circumstance or situation, requires quick reversals. All right, people, welcome to Power Target Trades, the place where I post great detailed plans. This is the created playlist. I recommend people study my created playlist. A lot of great winning plans from start to end posted, proving the power of my plans very well. A great study. Trust me when I tell you. Okay. At the same time, you wanna study the videos. You wanna wait for confirmation. As you can see, confirmations can study the videos. You can subscribe here manually after the video. I'm going to show you an easy way to do so in the video. Let's see what I say. All right, people. Now that we just finished watching that great detailed video, don't forget to look at my banner. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure you check out my created playlist. Make sure you study before taking action on Power Target Trades. Every plan that I make has great detailed instructions. And I put my heart and soul in it because I want my subscribers and followers to make great money in the markets. But you have to study, people. Let me show you a way to subscribe. Let's see a picture of me around here in a circle format. Simply click on it, and it's going to give you an easy way to subscribe. Don't forget, people, at the end of the video to like the video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like